There are two methods for installing car seats. We can either use the seatbelt system that comes in the vehicle, or we can use a system that's called latch, which is a system of hooks and anchors.
Always refer to the car seat instructions and vehicle manufacturer's instructions for weight limits, proper use, and installation.
You should be able to get that seat tight enough where it does not move more than an inch left to right or front to back.
Check angles to make sure the seat's angled properly.
Car seats have a 5-point harness, which means that we're having protection with that child at the child's shoulders, their hip bones, and their pelvic bone.
If you can pinch any webbing, the harness is too loose, and a child could be thrown from the seat in a crash. Keep kids rear-facing as long as possible, according to the car seat's height and weight requirements. For the Mayo Clinic News Network, I'm Vivian Williams.